Hey, welcome back to Papa's Custom Cars. Real quick video. JEGS is now one of my affiliates, meaning that when you buy product through my website, I get a little bit of money. Not much, but every dollar counts in this day and age. Just wanted to show you, I was online searching for drilled and slotted rotors for the Nova, and this is what I found. So stay tuned and let's unbox these and I'll show you what I got. Want to see that kind of thing, because I mean there's like 45 different directions I can go right now in the Nova. We're just mainly worried about our next video is going to be welding up that firewall, or welding that plate onto the firewall, and then cleaning up the rest of the frame so we can put that new suspension on. That video is coming out this weekend on the unboxing of that. But this is the balance of that, with the exception of calipers. I haven't decided if I'm staying stock or going with dual piston. I found online, I'll generally, when I'm looking for something, I'll search it in the Google search bar. And one of the things that I ran across is usually you'll see the best price at Amazon. Well, for drilled and slotted rotors for the Nova and or any GM, they weren't the best price. Believe it or not, JEGS was. And JEGS being one of my partners, there is a link on my website right now. This holiday weekend, I believe, the end of summer, they're having an end of summer sale with stuff up to 25% off. So if you're looking for something, now's the time to get it. With that, we're going to go ahead and unbox what I bought, and I can show you what I've got and the kind of quality that you're getting. But definitely it's from JEGS, so it's definitely going to be better than it was. I ordered it when I was sick and sent it to the wrong address. Thank goodness that thank goodness the woman at the home that was babysitting the parents' kids was there. She brought the boxes in, and these are rotors, so they're not light. So I did thank her for that. From way outside, and then she walked away from me as I was getting ready to come in and get them out of the house, so she didn't get frozen. So that's always a good thing. And in the end, this all together cost me about $210, and that was with no discount at all. So definitely a really good price for what we've got. So let's get this unboxed and see what we got in there. My favorite thing is new parts. Remove the box on it. I'm going to pull this up and set this over here because there should be more stuff in there. But one, drilled and slotted rotor. Isn't that pretty? Got new races in there and everything, new hats, vented, drilled and slotted. So definitely a real good upgrade to your car. From what I've read, these can lower the temperature of your brakes 180 degrees. Definitely give you a lot more stopping power. I know I've got them in almost all my other cars. I upgrade automatically to these. The Weiss Flex would burn through brake pads because we use it, every once in a while I use it to tow, and it isn't set up really for towing. It has the towing package, but a lot of times the brakes just aren't made for that, especially pulling. The last time I used the car to tow, I put the Mustang on there. It's Mustang GT. You put that on there. That's about 3,500 pounds. And then a U-Haul trailer, which is about 1,500 pounds. So basically, we were probably overweight by 5,500 with just the trailer. And mind you, we've got 4 full-size adults in the car, and we had 2 or 3 large dogs. So the car is overloaded. So I can tell you that we really put the brakes to work with the hills. When I put these drilled and slotted rotors on that Flex, I have never had any trouble with the brakes again. They stop way better than factory does, just because of the design and everything. So we've got our right left side, so we're going to have to be real careful when we put them on because it isn't labeled anywhere. But at least not that I see. Let me put my glasses on and check. but yeah, it's not showing right or left, but they're going to be directional. So pay attention when you're putting these type of things on. It does tell me the sizes and everything. It just gives you all the specs on it. Comes with new races and everything. The only thing it doesn't come with are bearings, but that $210 I was telling you about also included the price of the bearings. So it was pretty much everything. So let's put this back in this box. First one, double check what's in here. That is just the rotor. I imagine they didn't put them all in there, mainly because of how heavy it would be. We'll go ahead and set this back in this box. For now, and we'll open the other box. And basically, all this is going to be is probably our other disc. Interesting, but this one came in a box. So our other rotor is in the box. It's actually labeled. Let's get this up first. This is our bearings, Right Stuff. It's in a Right Stuff detailing bearing kit. That's kind of weird. Let's open that. Let's take a look, see what we've got. So it should be the entire bearing kit with the seals and everything. So you've got in this kit, we've got our cotter pin, our bolts, 2 bolts, 1 bolt, and the other bolt in the cup. Bolt. So you got your cups. So basically, this is your entire package. Cotter pins and everything. Got your wheel seals. We've got our inners and our outers for our bearings. So bearings, inners, outers, our seal kit for both. And then there's 1 bolt missing from here. Let's see it. Yeah, I see 1 bolt. Oh, there's the other bolt inside there. So this is an entire kit to do the entire disc. So for $210, I got 2 drilled and slotted rotors. I got all the bearings, all brand new bearings, our brand new seals, and our caps, our bolts, our cotter pins, our washers, everything that you need to put brand new ones on. So that's definitely a heck of a deal. I think the bearing kit was probably the most expensive part because the tensions. So nice American-made bearings. That was the only thing I was really worried about. On your precision parts, you want to make sure this stuff is good. It's kind of like in the engine. Everything inside of it is American-made. Or at least it says it's American-made. That's all your bearings, your seals, everything that you need to do the whole thing. So we'll set that in there. And we'll take this other box out of here. And what's nice about this one, at least being in the box, is it tells us on the front of the box, oh look, made in China. Let's see. It's got our part number 60 here, and it tells us which side it's for. So this is for the one side, that's got to be for the other. So there you go. But $210 for the full set from JEGS. Got a decent warranty on it and everything that you need. So go to my website, papascustomcars.com. There's a link for 25% off. It's their end of summer sale. Definitely get what you need while you can, while the price is 75%. So with that, everybody like, share, subscribe. Please share this one out there with the world. I want to get as many people as I can to the JEGS site to get that 25% off as fast as possible. I'm not sure how long it goes. It is end of summer, so it may run through the weekend. But yeah, definitely go there. Get the parts that you need from JEGS this weekend. And with that, like, share, subscribe. See you in the next.